Want your drywall to look smooth and last long? Here's the real deal on what actually makes drywall installation top-notch and not some patchy mess. First off, the tape and mud technique is everything. You gotta apply drywall tape carefully over the seams and then cover it with joint compound or mud in thin, even layers. Don't rush it. Let each layer dry completely before adding the next one so you avoid cracks and bumps. Next up, drywall thickness matters depending on where you're putting it. Standard walls usually get half-inch drywall, but ceilings might need a thicker one to prevent sagging. When you're picking fasteners like screws or nails, make sure they are spaced right, about 12 inches apart on walls and 8 inches on ceilings, so the drywall holds tight without popping out later. Reinforcing joints with mesh tape instead of paper can help prevent cracking over time, especially in high traffic or humid areas. Surface texture is the final touch. Sanding smooth is key, but don't overdo it. Go easy to keep the wall even without scratching up the paper. Also, keep your tools clean because dried mud can mess up your finish big time. And hey, always inspect your work with good lighting to catch any spots you missed before painting. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall installation is skipping proper drying time between mud layers, which leads to cracks and uneven surfaces. Just chill and wait it out. Another common error is using the wrong drywall thickness for the room, like putting thin drywall on ceilings where it sags or cracks easily. Always check your project needs beforehand. Lastly, spacing fasteners too far apart or using the wrong type can cause drywall to pop or loosen over time. Stick to recommended screw spacing and use drywall screws instead of nails for a solid hold. BigHomeProjects.com is a killer spot for homeowners looking to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to drywall and more. For contractors, it's a sweet way to connect with people who need their skills, helping them score new projects without all the hassle.